I got me and the child and a Thredup Fun Box. Let's roll that intro and get right into the video. Hey guys, I'm Kay and you've arrived in my weird little corner of the internet. Welcome. If you're new here, I'm a part-time reseller, mostly on eBay and Poshmark, and I have a huge Thredup addiction. And if my daughter is in these videos, that usually means that we're filming a fun box unboxing. So it's 10 items. I no longer pay for shipping on these, so it's $32 instead of about $40. So my cost of goods per item, if there's 10, is about $3.20. They will literally be anything. I've gotten puzzles in here. We've gotten sunglasses, jewelries, lots of tights and socks. So let's open her up. Where is it from? Georgia, I think. Yeah, it's from Georgia. Let's open it up and see what we got. Oh. It's got the new sticker on there, the black recyclable ones. And we got some air bubbles to reuse, covering her beautiful face. And this is the first peek inside. Do you want to go first or me? Me? Yeah. Okay, I'll do this. All right, this is a perfect smartphone armband. Fits most smartphones, so it's not specific to a certain one. It's flexible. It has like a little silicone on the front so that it attaches to your phone and will move around. And then it has a gray armband. Definitely will list that. Next, we have a box with a G. What's the G for? You want to guess? Oh, you already looked.
I don't want to.
It doesn't start with a G.
No.
Oh, it does. Goop.
I don't know what this is.
It's some kind of keychainy thing.
Like a wristlet.
Yeah, kind of like a wrist strap, faux leather from Goop. And it's, I think Goop sells other brands because this says Skagen from Denmark. Skagen. It's cute. Not sure if I'll sell that, but it's cute. All right, we got tights. Always with the tights. I have sold almost every single pair. I think I have like 2 or 3 left from all of the fun boxes that I've ever ordered, so they do sell. These are from DKNY. Open work plaid control top, size medium, and they were originally $16. Is that brown? They're taupe. Hill taupe, made in Italy. Here's what they look like. I usually get around $10 for those, so nothing crazy.
You guys are never gonna guess what's coming next. It's socks!
Woo! Those are colorful.
Mm-hmm. They're feet, but not with 2 E's. It's an E and an A. Premium performance, made in the USA. Men's 5 to 8, women's 6 to 9, small.
No retail price? Premium performance blend. What are they, just blue with like pink stars and stripes or something?
Yeah.
Okay.
Neato.
Neato, she says. All right, I'm gonna go for this guy. We have a little something and some bubbles. It looks like a couple somethings. All right, this is what I grabbed first. These are like some silver tone earrings. It's a set of 6 pairs, 3 dangly and 3 studs. Very boho chic.
Knew you were gonna say chic.
They don't have a brand, they just have, you know, the 2 hands making the heart symbol, so have no issue selling those.
Now we have the opposite of socks. Gloves.
Socks for your hands.
Sure. These are from Muck Lux, made in China. they're one size.
Are they different multiple pairs, or are they just have like a cuff and a glove?
I think they're different. It's a cuff and then the glove.
Cuff and a glove. Okay, show them to the camera. With the fuzzies, little fuzzy accents. All right, I'll do the other jewelry that's in here. These are Mabel goods for a girl who is capable of so much good. These are very large dangle earrings, and they are an Etsy shop. So on Etsy, they are Mabel Goods Shop, or on Instagram, Mabel Goods. And this is what they look like. Kind of like a mod look.
It's a scrunchie.
Nice.
Is that an R or an I?
That's an R.
Okay. I mean a V. I meant to say V.
I think it's an R.
It's a sari chic scrunchie with bow. It's sustainably handmade from repurposed fabric.
Just some cute little like mixed prints on there. All right. Okay, this says Be Kind by Ellen. X Attitude. I don't know what attitude is. It says Wellness Kit, gray, one size. So let's see what's in this wellness kit. What do you think it is?
I don't know. Is it a blender?
No. I don't think so. Oh. Okay. I'm never gonna get this back in there. There is a Be Kind little eye mask. This looks like a pillowcase. And this is like a little gray face cloth or towel. And that's everything that comes in there. I'm struggling to get it back in here. What is that?
It's a yoga mat bag.
Oh. It's still in its packaging. Yep, yoga mat bag. Okay. Where is it from?
Freely.
Okay, just plain bag that has a little F logo on there. And the last thing I'm seeing in here is a pair of slippers. These are Comfy Luxe for the one who deserve. $24. They're a size ML. It says Lulu slippers gray. I can't speak.
I think that's medium / large.
What did I say?
ML.
ML. Yeah, medium / large is what I meant to say.
Well, that's not what you said.
Well, they're a medium / large. Lulu slippers gray, $24. They're like a snow leopard print. New with tags. Bottoms are really clean, so these are cozy. I don't know, maybe I'll wear them in the wintertime when it's cold here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So we got a little extra because I think they counted this one a bag as one thing. What's your favorite item from this box? This one was a little underwhelming. It wasn't bad, of course, but it just wasn't the best. The socks. I kind of like this scrunchie because it's sustainably handmade, and it was $16. worldfinds.com. So that's everything. Let us know what your favorite item was down in the comments below and how you think this box was. I have some more Thredup boxes coming, of course, as always. So if you're interested in that, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you here in this weird little family that we have on the internet. And otherwise, if you enjoyed this video at any point, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps us out here on YouTube to know what type of content you enjoy seeing from us. And that's everything, because I already said to subscribe, and I usually say that first, so I messed myself up. So do you want to say it again? Yeah. All right. So yeah, subscribe, and we hope to see you next time. Bye.